Guys, these have been great flights. I got 2 batteries left. What a fun time. I gotta tell you guys, what a fun time. My red light's already out on the easy light. Yep, let's get in a couple more flights. This is flight 6, I believe. Alright guys, so this is like flight 6. Flight 6 will use this Generation 1 pack in here. It's one of my oldest packs. We'll set the pack just a hair before these struts here. Plug her in. Day 3, Flight 6. We'll do a lot of touch and goes if we can. Practice our landings like a good overseas pilot should. Alright, well, we could still see. Do some touch and go here.
Volt, 5 amp, 66 Fahrenheit, receiver 6.1 volt.
My red light went out. I've been flying this plane for quite a while now. So coming down, coming down. There you go. Touch and goes.
ESC 12.1 volt, 4 amp, 66 Fahrenheit, receiver 6.1 volt.
More touch and goes here. Ooh, oh, not this time. Let's go around. Coming in too hot that time. I like this military braking. Turn right, turn left, cut the throttle. Just be ready in case you stall, but be Johnny on the spot with the throttle in here. Start giving it a little throttle. You hear that wheel spinning?
ESC 12.1 volt, 0 amp, 68 Fahrenheit, receiver 6.1 volt.
Do a little touch and go here. Touch and go.
minutes. EST
Emits.
11.8 volts, 9 amps, 70 Fahrenheit. Receiver 6.1 volts.
Very good, very good.
EST 11.7 volts, 7 amps, 68 Fahrenheit. Receiver 6.1 volts.
Here we go again. That one I stalled it a little too high. Good thing I landed on both stays. Maybe if I landed on one, it would have broke it again. But I landed on both wheels. Pretty robust, actually.
EST 11.7 volts, 0 amps, 70 Fahrenheit. Receiver 6.1 volts.
Alright guys, that was it. Woo. That's awesome. What a great time, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the flights. My easy lights are almost out. My green one and red one are gone. Only the white one's left. So that's it. It's getting dark. Hopefully you guys could see everything okay. RC hobbies and more. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I definitely recommend this plane. Day3, and I'm already doing this kind of stuff with it. Fun, man. Fun. Take care. Every day's a gift. Thank you.